Bore da, good morning. Another tour in Conwy Castle today. Just walking along the edge of the walls and about to meet my group in about 10 minutes. See you later. So this is Nikki, one of our wonderful group leaders for our tours in Conwy.
Hi.
Nikki.
I'm absolutely delighted to be here with wonderful Rianne. She's one of my favourite tour guides and of course brings Conwy Castle alive for our American guests. I absolutely love her.
Thank you, Nikki. Right, let's get on with it.
Excellent, let's go.
See you later. Un, dau, tri, Llewellyn! Hey! Diolch yn fawr. The Marine Walk Path, a beautiful hidden corner of Conwy that lots of people don't know about. Well worth a walk during your visit. Looking over at the old Conwy Castle. So that's it for today. Heading home. Thank you for joining me and I will see you again very soon. Diolch yn fawr.